Our researchers from every part of this country, good morning. Yeah, we are very happy to welcome you today in Dedan Kimathi University of Technology for the 7th DeKUT International Conference on Science, Technology, Innovation, and Entrepreneurship. We are very happy that we could hold this workshop or conference today, and considering that this is very important because DeKUT is a university of technology. And our motto in DeKUT has always been better life through technology. And then how do we look at it from that perspective? We have to start with research. And research is basically discovering new knowledge, new applications, redefining the old problems and raising new questions, and finding new meanings and new solutions for the problems that we face. So research is very, very important for University of Technology, and we look at research from 3 different perspectives. You can have a pure, fundamental or basic research that raises fundamental questions about theories, phenomena, and new knowledge. But then we also have a place for applied research. And with application, then you have identified an area where research can solve a real problem, provide new solution, and can find its application. Then there is commercial research. After the application has been identified, the commercial research is very important because it places the solution within the needs of the market. What does the market require? Who will use this product? Who will make use of the application? And it is the commercial research that is able to create new innovations. It is through commercial research that you are able to find MVP, and this is a minimum value product, and it is through the minimum value product that you are able to commercialize and create income or real value from the product. So when we talk about science, innovation, and entrepreneurship, we look at it from the full ecosystem. And the ecosystem starts from researching new solutions, finding an innovation which is a minimum value product, and finding an entrepreneurial application. So we are looking forward to receive in this conference all the different research topics, the different application areas, and even ideas where we can commercialize and provide value for the research that has been developed. In DeKUT, it is in the center of our strategic plan and our vision to develop an entrepreneurial university. And by entrepreneurial university, because you look globally, there are 4 levels that you can classify universities. We have universities that deal purely with teaching. They are called teaching universities, and their main domain is knowledge dissemination. And even us as a university, that's very important and central. But it shouldn't stop there. You go to the next level, which is research university, where you can now develop new applications, develop new knowledge, and find the application of the new knowledge. But the third and the 4th level is very important. We have innovation universities, and the innovation universities, they look at development of IP rights, intellectual property rights, development of minimum value products, and it is through this minimum value product that commercialization can be attained. Then we go to the 4th level of universities, and these are entrepreneurial universities. These are the universities that develop innovations which can create startup companies, spin-off companies, and provide an ecosystem for commercialization of knowledge and technology. And in our strategic plan and in our vision in DeKUT, that is where we find ourselves. And I'm very happy that our immediate former Vice Chancellor, who will also be speaking in this conference, Professor Kioni, is here. And for the years, he has been the VC. He has worked continuously very hard to create a strong entrepreneurial ecosystem in the university. The first thing that was founded was the DeKUT Incubation Hub. And the vision was to create a founder space where students with different ideas can find a space, a working system where they can incubate the idea, test the idea. And then we realized later on that once the student graduates, these ideas are not taken a little bit further. And now the university, for the last 5 years, we have a DeKUT Startup Center, which provides a very elaborate support system for taking the idea that has been incubated a little bit further by getting the company registered, getting the KEBS registration for the innovation, getting the patenting and protection of the intellectual property rights, and getting a taste of the market and founding the business through the startup establishment. And I'm happy to announce that through the Startup Center, we now have 16 startup companies that have been established in DeKUT. And this is a part of already the vision that the university has been working on towards a vibrant science and technology park. And we all know that we already have anchor clients who are already operational, like the famous semiconductor company. And the vision is to build over 450 companies operating under our DeKUT Science and Technology Park. So as we continue to build that entrepreneurial ecosystem, we see DeKUT as a vibrant university, providing a vibrant space where ideas are generated, ideas create startup companies, and our vision is to see these startup companies vibrant and operational, creating business, creating jobs, creating wealth for the national development in our science and technology park. The vision is to have around 450 such companies. And from the companies that have already set base in our DeKUT Science and Technology Park, we can only anticipate the future with greater aspiration. If we see such 550 companies, you can imagine the number of jobs we are able to create, the amount of wealth we are able to produce for our people, and the national impact and development that we can be able to generate. And I know this is something also Professor Kioni will mention. Recently, the United Nations Economic of Africa has identified DeKUT and funded DeKUT to start the Origins Lab. And this will be a solution space that will be able to handle many different societal problems and create a solution base where you can engage with expertise in the university, in the community, and in the international community to develop solutions for the society and for the industry. And through the Origins Lab, we also see an extended platform where research, innovation, and commercialization of ideas will find its space. And then we ask ourselves, as staff, as students, where is our position and our space in this entrepreneurial ecosystem? First of all, there is a requirement for a mindset change. Whatever you learn, whatever you do, it must have an application in the market. So we are happy to see the people who are interested in the innovation and entrepreneurial interest and ecosystem, because you are the people who hold the solutions for this country and the solutions for Africa, because the solutions must come from us. It is us who know the problems we have, and it is us that must provide solutions that we require for this country. And solutions must have a commercial value. And it is through the commercial value of developing solutions that these solutions can go further it can create an impact, it can create real jobs, and it can also create a vibrant economy and vibrant system for wealth creation.